Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Where's everyone? What happened to the cameras? Hi, Haya. How are you?
I'm fine.
Actually, Shiny Ma'am gave me a sentence. I think Shiny Ma'am already informed you, right? Let us
What?
take a small video regarding. She said she'll give you a sentence.
Good morning, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
I don't think she did.
okay, did any teacher told you that you have to take a small video regarding science?
Regarding science.
Yeah, importance of science.
Only me, or did everybody take it?
No, only you. How about I give you one sentence? It's just one sentence. Can you take a small video of that sentence with a plain good background? How does that sound? Can you do it?
So that means I just have to read the sentence?
Ah,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, Laser. Okay, who all are here? Ishan,
Good
hi.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hi, Aishin. Subra, hi. How about I type the sentence for you in the chat box? Sounds good?
Yeah.
Everyone give me 1 second.
And then I should read it?
You have to read it. Not look into it. It's a just one sentence. So I think you can learn it.
Okay.
Just one
Sentence.
sentence. Okay? It's a
Okay.
simple sentence.
Wait.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? It's Laser.
It's Juan.
It's not Joan, it's Laser. I
Yeah,
can see that.
Juan just muted now.
I'm just gonna note it down. Listen. Every
Every class
class
teaches
teaches me
me
something new.
something new about science, stories, and the world around me.
Oh,
Ah,
it's
so
pretty small. I can
yeah,
read
that's
it.
what I said. Just one sentence. Put a lot of energy into like every class teaches me something new about science, stories, and about the world around me. That's it.
Yeah.
Make sure it's a nice background, plain background. And do you have maize uniform?
Yes, I had a white T-shirt, but then today the reason why I'm not wearing one is because like I don't know where it went.
That's something nice for this. Take the video and you can send it to me through WhatsApp or any of the teachers. If you have any of the teachers' number, just send it. Sounds good?
And
Yes.
I share the Tasneem ma'am's number in my phone.
Every
Whose,
class
whose number,
teaches.
Laser?
My mom's phone I share Tasneem number.
Oh, you have Aisha ma'am's number. What about no other teachers who were teaching you? I am going to share something, okay, people?
Mm,
Is it visible for everyone?
yes.
Yeah. Working
Let,
and trying your best to start learning for understanding new ideas
you,
in class.
you don't have to read it. Go on, you sleep in the morning. You need to sleep at night, Joan. Seriously.
A star learner for understanding new ideas in class. Hard worker for always trying your best.
Papa,
Super solver for being great at solving problems, making
making
progress, for
progress.
getting better at
Someone,
something.
please turn on your camera. So,
John,
let's see how many stars you got so far.
John Weasley,
Hey,
we have
Joan.
practice today.
Joan is sitting silently. You are
We have
provoking him.
practice today. So I'm
That's
reminding you.
good. Joan, you have practice, okay? For being kind, helpful, responsible mainly. Laser has only one star so
2D
far.
shapes. Am I look like 2D shapes? Am I flat?
No, that is just why you got the star. You got the stars for saying the 2D shapes name. So you have one star. Let's see. Barira has
Black
a
star and
golden
the
star,
golden star.
but black star got cancelled later. So right now Barira and Laser have one star. Ah, Aishin have two stars.
What? How?
One is the 2D shapes name. Second, she participated and she was responsible and she created the PPT yesterday for GK. So
But I made
yay!
the PPT too.
When did you make the PPT? I didn't see any of your PPTs for
I'm
GK.
practicing that with the Tanya ma'am.
I made another one. I made another one first.
Yes, I'm talking about assembly PPT. Joanne has one star, 2D
Oh,
shapes name.
most of them
Ah,
have the 2D shapes. Oh,
ooh, I thought about 4 stars. That's nice.
Let me ask Alfati. Is
Yes,
Alfati here?
Amila,
Alfati!
Amila have 2 stars actually. I forgot to add the
Oh, I
PPT
don't have
star.
Rajji. Let me put my chart.
Come
uh,
first. So I'll add the tomorrow. Thank God Amila is not here. So yeah,
Hamila would have
Milan,
seen.
Amila would be angry with me. Milan
Yeah,
got one. Sidra got two. Wow, Sidra, that's
yeah,
nice.
she did. Aisha ma'am gave her one last time.
Yeah, that's good. Let's see. Ihan got one.
Han one.
Ishan, only one
One.
star so far. They're not participating. The
Oh,
person who gets the most number of stars will get the mage point from me, okay?
oh, that's
Collect
Al-Fatih
the
for
stars.
sure.
No,
That's
you can
Al-Fatih.
also do that. Why, Alpha? You got 2 stars, I think, by far.
No,
One. You didn't get any
no,
star before that?
no, I don't think so.
What about
Yeah,
2D?
I have. I got it from Aisha ma'am one.
Ah, one
I
second.
didn't get it from.
Okay, I have some questions. Okay, ready?
Mhm.
Yeah.
We are going from 6 to 1. Which animal, let's see who gets most number, I'll get 1 star to that person, okay? You have to raise your hand. Siddha raise hand. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Siddha.
A camel.
The camel. Siddha got 1 point.
I want to say.
I think you saw that. Did you see that? How many of you saw that? Which blood cell helps to fight infections?
A snake.
No, it's a cell in your body. Sidra.
Lungs.
No,
White cells.
white cells. It's actually white blood cell, WBC. Good
Oh.
job, Sidra. Okay, which is the largest desert in the world? Largest. Come on, Johan. Ishan. Come on,
Safari.
quick.
Safari desert.
Okay. Any other answer?
No.
Wait, ma'am.
No searching, no searching. Your hands are going there, no searching. Put your hands up again. Put your hands
I'm
up.
not answering.
Everyone
I'm
put your hands up.
looking.
That's
Wait,
it.
wait, wait. I know it. I know it. Wait.
I have
It's
both
in
hands
Dubai.
up.
It's in Dubai. It's in Dubai.
But you have to put both hands up. Come on. Yes, Haya.
It's is it Antarctic?
Shall we see?
Yeah,
Sidra,
Antarctic.
put both hands
No,
up, Sidra.
I think it's Antarctic.
Sahara, laser, laser. Sidra, hands up. Haya, hands up. You won't be called if your hands are not up. Hands up. Unmute and put your hands up. How many stomachs? Cow has
Me.
nasal.
One stomach.
No. Haya.
Two stomachs.
No.
Yes.
Sidra, no searching. Sidra, put your hands up, Sidra.
Ma'am,
Ishan,
six
Ishan.
what?
Aishin got the point. Aishin. They have 4 stomach.
Four?
Hands up. There's an organ in your body that purifies the blood. Sidra, hands up. Unmute and put both hands up.
Ma'am.
Okay, what a question.
Heart.
Sidra. No. Any other?
Mm,
Laser. Next is Haya. Laser is not answering. Laser.
Let me think.
Which one?
Lungs? Heart? Heart?
Haya. What does Haya think?
is it veins?
Veins. Okay, Ishan, what do you think?
Is it
Don't
lungs?
touch Ishan. Hands up. Lungs. Let's see. Zohan, what do you think?
Okay, and
Zohan, come on. Hurry up. What is it? No? It's the kidneys.
Oh,
Okay, last question. This is something you use every day. What does CPU stand for? Laser.
Football.
No. Come on. I think you need one more point for that star. CPU. No searching higher. You're searching higher. I can see that.
Hmm.
Ishan.
Arya is laughing.
No. Close. What does CPU stand for? Joanne? Come on, Joanne. No one? So I guess I'll give the point to Aishin and Laser 1 star for getting highest. Central Processing Unit. That is full form of CPU, okay? Ah, this is something
Is
you know,
it
right?
full form, ma'am? Is it full form of CPU? I will say that.
It is full
Stands
form
for
of
I
CPU.
don't know, but I know that.
Full form means
Stand
what
for
does it
question
full
is
stand for means what is the full form?
no.
Okay, good job
Nothing
people,
else.
very well done. I think Amina ma'am is ready and very interested to take class. I'll leave. Bye bye guys.
Bye bye.
Have a good
Bye.
day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.